Why are we like this? Like, why are we too salesy? Huh? You see this content thing? Me. Buy my thing, buy my this, buy my that. Look at me, bro. Nobody cares, you know. Your content is not about you. Your content is about your audience.
Like and subscribe.
You know, was it yesterday? Someone just chat me up on WhatsApp and like, hi. And I said, hi. And I said, good morning. And I said, good morning. And at some point, I like, who am I chatting with, please? Next thing I saw was, oh, I deal in luxury chains for your loved ones and lovers. And I'm like, okay, how is this my business? So, but at some point, I had to chat the guy like, don't you think it would have been proper? You chat me up and like, okay, I'm so and so person. I got your number from so and so. I would like to, first of all, introduce yourself. Let me even get to know who I'm talking with. You understand? You see, content creation is not about you. It's about getting to know who you're selling to or who you intend to sell to. Do you understand? Now, that's if you are selling. But irrespective, your content is not about you. It's about the people you're creating the content for. Let's be real. Your audience doesn't wake up thinking about you. They wake up thinking about their problems, their dreams, their need. So, if your content is still about yourself, my guy, have over yourself. Today, we are fixing that. This is how you make content that actually connect, build trust, and make people say, wow, I need this person in my life. Whether you are a startup, a corporate brand, or a content creator, this video will change how you create forever. Now, before you argue in the comments, smash that like button and let's dive in. You've probably had people talking about faceless YouTube channels, but let's be real, most of the advice out there is either confusing or incomplete. That's why I'm inviting you to a free live class where I will be breaking it all down for you. How to create a profitable faceless YouTube channel step by step. How to use AI to generate unlimited high quality content effortlessly. And why you don't need 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours to start making money. In fact, you can start earning from your very first upload. I won't just throw random information at you. I will give you the exact strategy you need to launch successfully. And if you're serious about turning this into a real business, I will show you how to go even deeper in my 7 days faceless YouTube challenge, where we focus on how and get you fully set up. Seats are limited. Don't miss out. Click the link to reserve your spot now. Why your audience doesn't care about you. Okay, let's start with the hard truth. Your audience only care about you if you care about them first. Think about it. When Burna Boy drops a song, it's not about him. It's about how it makes you feel. So he drops his song for his own, he has his own audience, his listeners. When Jumia runs an ad, it's not look at us. It's look at how we solve your problem. Even your favorite small bees, why do you follow them? Because they get you. So if your content is still me focused, you're basically shouting into a void. Stop it. 2, how to shift from me to them. Solve their problem, not yours. Your audience have pain points, money struggles, time issues, insecurity, boredom. Your job, fix it. For example, instead of we sell this skincare product, try something like, tired of acne, this routine cleared my skin in 2 weeks. There are brands doing it right. Picky Vest doesn't say save with us. They say stop being broke. Here is how. Speak their language, not some corporate jargon. Listen, if your caption sounds like Nigerian bank terms and conditions, you've lost them. Use slang, humor, and relatability. For example, instead of maximize ROI with our solutions, try something like want more sales, do this one thing. Brand scaling it, whiskey tweets, Mr. Macaroni's kit, even Destiny's kit. I mean, these guys sound like real people. They sell for you without you even knowing that they are selling for you. Show them you care beyond selling. Nobody likes that auntie who only calls when she needs money. Don't be that brand. Engage in comment, ask questions, share value without expecting sales. Example, Kuda Bank doesn't just push ads, they give financial tips, answer DMs, and joke with customers. Influencers like Tahoma and Lasisi Elenu, these guys build community, not just followers. When a brand slide into your DM only to say buy now versus one that says how is your day going? Let them be the hero, not you. Great content makes your audience think. This is exactly what I needed. Customer testimonial. You can call it bragging. User generated content. Polish ads. Example, Fashion Nova reposts customer speaks way more than their own models. When a brand posts, we are amazing versus when a customer scream, this changed my life. Look, if you take one thing from this video, let it be this. So let's take some case studies of Nigerian brands who are getting it right. So let's look at Nigerian brands putting their audience first. Flutterware, their How We Made It series highlight customer success stories, not just their tech. Maven Record, they spotlight upcoming artists, making fans feel part of the journey. Small business example, that's Ankara Tailor who posts which style should I make next? Genius. Look, if you take one thing from this video, let it be this. Your content isn't about you, it's about them. The faster you get over yourself, the faster your audience will fall in love with you. So, tell me, what one way you will put your audience first this week? Drop a comment, let's chat. And if this video helped you, which it did, because you are now 10 times smart, smash that like button, share with a friend, and subscribe for more unfiltered marketing truths. Remember, when you focus on them, they will focus on you. Now go and win.